I'm thinking about now is how this weapon actually functions. So I'm going to pull a bunch of these shapes that I found over here. Some of these sort of wiggly shapes that work their way across the body. I'm going to start pulling them up and into this weapon now to see, yeah, just like where they fit and what makes sense. It feels like there's a sort of natural line of this weapon that's going to come down there. In my head, this is the power pack. You've got the slightly uncomfortable looking handle and guard, which has like slight overhangs. Maybe there's some sort of tech related to that. Maybe like the glove fits into it in an interesting way. I quite like, even though it's not particularly comfortable or practical, I quite like the sort of delicacy of some of these triggers and how they might work. There we are. It's starting to feel like it's got a bit more character now, at least. Thinking from a first-person point of view, it's maybe more interesting if we have a solid underbarrel that sits there, and then if we were to have two slightly off-vertical plates. Now, if we drop some quick shade on it, probably what we'd start to see. Does that make sense? Can you work out what's happening with 3D there? And it starts to build in just some slightly unexpected shapes into the weapon.